Hello and welcome to Circulate by CDA with me, Stuart Aldis. In past videos we've spoken about maximising your opportunities on your website. We especially focused around retail if you've got an e-commerce website. Today I want to talk about some tips and tricks you can do to your website if you're a B2B based business and looking for new business leads. So here's some top things you can do. First thing is, when people come to your website and they get engaged with your content, they're not always going to click the contact form or find their way to the contact us page to pick the phone up. Think about the consumer here. They're reading through your website, they've looked at a few pages of content. A much better way of engaging with them is put live chat on your website. There's so many different live chat options. Some are free, some you pay a monthly subscription, so they give different benefits, but ultimately they offer the ability for your customer to have live chat. On a lot of live chat systems as well, you'll learn about the customer and learn about what they were looking for before you start even talking to them. You'll be able to track where they are in the world, you'll be able to track what pages they've looked at, so it gives you a bit of more of a warmer lead. Some good options for live chat is live chat itself, and there's others like Talk, TWAK, and there's lots more. Live chat works really well for good instant data capture. If you want to take it to the next level, please think about doing live video. Many retailers have started using live video, and there's a big TV campaign at the moment for some big brands where they're offering live video to guide you on products. Use live video if you're selling B2B. People buy from people. If you can get your website just to get the traffic to your website and then use the personal effect to be able to make contact and influence a web user to become a prospect, then that's a good thing. So think about live chat, but definitely, if you want to push the boundary, think about live video as well. Think about hosting events. If you are used to winning business at exhibitions or conferences where you might be a keynote talker, think about putting webinars on your website and publicizing those webinars, giving away free information. A little bit like these videos, but in a live format where people can get interactive. We're working with one company at the moment, and their main source of income before COVID-19 was to have sales teams out on the road, knocking on doors. They're now using webinars, and they're getting thousands of views on their webinars, and they're getting more inquiries than they've ever had before. One thing about COVID-19 is people have switched the way they want to do business. They don't need to see you face to face anymore. So webinars are a really good way of that. Think about your website as well. Are you maximizing your data opportunities? What I mean by that is, on your website, are you encouraging people to leave their name and email address to get automated marketing messages from you? Are you clearly displaying calls to action? What I mean by that is, if you've got a page of content explaining what you do and why people should be involved with you, and then it's just an end at the bottom with no call to action, that's not going to work. That's where your contact call to action should be, whether it be a live chat button, a phone number, a contact form. Just have a look through your websites now and look at your pages. When you get to the end, is it a complete stop or is there a natural call to action? Think about using pop-ups on your website, but not on page load. Think about using them if somebody's looked at 3 or 4 more pages around a particular subject, then present a pop-up. And there's some great ways to do pop-ups now. And again, if you want any advice around that, please feel free to let me know. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you take some of this and implement it on your websites. If you need any help or information around calls to action, around data capture, and around lead generation, please let us know and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and stay safe.